Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is NASA's Parker Solar Probe. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. A NASA spacecraft has officially touched the Sun, plunging through the unexplored solar atmosphere known as the corona. Now moving on to the key highlights. The Parker Solar Probe actually flew through the corona in April during the spacecraft's 8th close approach to the Sun. Scientists said it took a few months to get the data back and then several months to confirm. Now let's discuss about Parker Solar Probe mission. The Parker Solar Probe is a robotic spacecraft the size of a small car. It is named after American solar astrophysicist Eugene Newman Parker. The probe is capable of enduring wicked heat while zooming through the solar corona to study this outermost part of the stellar atmosphere that gives rise to the solar wind. Launched in 2018, Parker was 13 million kilometers from the center of the Sun when it first crossed the jagged, uneven boundary between the solar atmosphere and outgoing solar wind. The spacecraft dipped in and out of the corona at least 3 times, each a smooth transition according to the scientists. Now let's discuss about the importance of the study. The Sun is far more complex than meets the eyes as it is a dynamic and magnetically active star. The Sun's atmosphere constantly sends magnetized material outward, enveloping the solar system far beyond the orbit of Pluto and influencing every world along the way. The corona gives rise to the solar wind, a continuous flow of charged particles that permeates the solar system. Unpredictable solar winds cause disturbances in our planet's magnetic field and can play havoc with communications technology on the Earth. The findings of the probe will enable scientists to forecast changes in the Earth's space environment. Now let's understand what is corona. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere where the strong magnetic fields bind the plasma and prevent the turbulent solar winds from escaping. The Alfvén point is when the solar winds go beyond a critical speed and break free of the corona as well as the magnetic fields of the Sun. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. 2. The corona gives rise to the solar wind, a continuous flow of charged particles that permeates the solar system. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.